Boston, what's going on? We have received a RAID 5 array made out of 4 Western Digital drives, 1 terabyte in capacity each. This was configured as a RAID 10 array. What happened is when it failed, the drives have begun developing bad sectors over time because they were running in a server in a hot room without good ventilation. So the drives have begun developing bad sectors, but also finally they gave up and they failed their mechanical failure. So you have drive 1, drive 2, drive 3, and drive 4. So these two drives were set up as the RAID 0 part of the RAID 10, and these two drives were the second RAID 0 as part of the RAID 10, and then each two of those sets mirrored as a RAID 1. So as it always happens with RAID 10 failures, what happened is those two drives that were each making up the RAID 0 failed with mechanical problems. What happened is they each got stiction, meaning that the read-write arm head got stuck on the surface of the disk. That's drive 1. And then drive 3 had the same problem. We had to resolve the mechanical problem in a clean room environment, and then after that clone the drives. We actually only needed one of the two drives, right, to recreate the RAID 0 and access the files. So what we ended up doing is clone drive 3 because it was in better shape with less bad sectors. And this one, drive 1, also had firmware problems with translation, which is module 31. So this was in really bad shape. So we cloned drive 3 and drive 4, and we were able to successfully recreate the array and access the files. Drive 3 cloned with a few bad sectors. As you can see here, here are the cloning statistics. So about 24. Which is pretty good. So once we had this assembled, we extracted the files to a brand new external drive and delivered to the customer, and everything went well. Customer verified the data, and he's happy here in Wayland, Massachusetts. Alright, thanks for watching. If you need help, you can find us at datarecoveryguru.com. On the homepage there, you can start with the free diagnosis. Just click any blue button you see on the homepage. Thank you very much. All the best.